Hey everyone, Paul from IdeaScale here. I'm here today to talk about IdeaScale's Innovation Essentials. In today's fast-paced world, organizations must constantly innovate to stay ahead. This requires an ongoing churn of fresh new ideas throughout the business. But where do these breakthrough ideas come from, and how can we tap into them quickly and efficiently? This is where IdeaScale steps in, unlocking a world of innovative solutions from your community. IdeaScale empowers organizations to harness the collective intelligence of their entire workforce, customer base, and even the general public through crowdsourced innovation. Public or private campaigns can gather information at a fraction of the cost and time of traditional methods, greatly improving the efficiency of an innovation program. Let's discuss some of the basic features that make crowdsourced innovation possible with IdeaScale. First, user engagement. Users will begin by entering the community and browsing campaigns that are interesting to them. These challenges can host many different opportunities for users to get involved and contribute their unique perspective within your community. Users can then submit new ideas to their campaigns and interact with other ideas and members, creating a vibrant innovation community and providing increased value to each other's ideas. By viewing the workflow, users can see how their ideas will move through the campaign towards implementation. Moderators play a very key role in moving ideas forward and adding value to the campaign. As a part of the innovation workflow, each idea can move through a custom funnel with unique interactions that help review, estimate, rate, and even fund potential projects. All campaign funnels and submission forms are customizable to provide organizations with the flexibility to tackle innovation challenges in any way they need.